2020, the year coronavirus invaded the earth.
Innovations and entrepreneurship in Belgavi, KNN team has come up with a new initiative called Innovate Belgavi Startup Talks. Today we have with us Mr. Sandesh Anoji and Akash Kalange from S-Band. Let's talk to them and know about their product. Sandesh and Akash, I welcome you for the Startup Talks.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having us here.
Thank you. So could you please tell us about your startup journey?
Yeah, as we started Supplizer and Mr. Hitesh Mutkanwar, I am the founder and he is the co-founder of Supplizer.
Okay.
What Supplizer does is we are providing office and industrial supplies.
Okay.
And we have very good clients across Belgaum right now.
Mm-hmm.
And in less than 3 months, we had made a turnover of about 50 lakhs.
Great.
Just with the start. And after that, like this pandemic came into picture and everyone was at home.
Okay.
We had to think something with what we can do for the society. As before the lockdown, as we were traveling to Bangalore, just before on 22nd of March, we were traveling to Bangalore. That day we were using sanitizers and everything, but that actually wasn't solving the issue. Now when we are taking out the bottle from dashboard or maybe from our pockets with our infected hands, we touch the same hands to the bottle, we disinfect our hands, and then while keeping the bottle we touch the same bottle which is infected. Okay, so we thought something that has to be very portable, user friendly and wearable. So that you don't have to take it out from your bag. Maybe if the ladies keep it in the purse, you need to search multiple number of things you touch before getting out your bottle. So that doesn't actually solve the issue. So we came up with this idea and we designed it. After lockdown period, we designed it. This is the 8th, actually this prototype is the 8th one. We tried out everything that is possible. If you have seen it properly, there is a proper arch given to it, so that you get that comfort. You don't even remember that there is something on your wrist that is getting between your works or something like that. But that doesn't happen with this product. You don't even realize that actually you're wearing something.
So your product is called as?
S-Band.
S-Band.
Yes, we named it S-Band. We wanted something which connects Supplizer as well as sanitizer. So we made it as S-Band.
Supplizer is your parent company, and under Supplizer you have you are promoting your the
S-band, the product.
S-band. Okay, okay. Could you please show that product to our
Sure,
viewers?
sure. So this is how the product is. It comes in this packaging.
Okay.
Okay, and this is, let me open it for you. This is how the product comes in.
Great.
Okay,
Okay.
there is a user manual given, and if you don't want to use it on your wrist, there is an additional loop which is given, which you can attach and use it on your waist loop.
Okay.
Okay, that all details are there in the video.
Could you
which we
please
show.
explain how it works?
Yeah, sure. Fill in any liquid sanitizer from here.
Okay.
It holds 18 ml of liquid sanitizer.
Mhm.
Anything which you wish, you desire. Like everyone has some different kind of test.
Yeah.
Now here, as this one is filled, I will show you this one. This is how it works.
Okay. Okay. It sprays.
It sprays the liquid.
sanitizer onto your palm.
Palm.
And okay.
We rub it.
Got it.
Okay. The same way, if you attach the loop, it will come this way.
Okay.
I have shared you the. I will share you the images and other things. You can go through that.
Okay. You can use it on your wrist as well and
Your waist loop.
Waist loop. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So if you have something which is very much like you touch high, you use your hands frequently on your laptop or anything, maybe that could be disturbing.
Okay.
But I use it, I don't find it disturbing. But if some people want it, then we have considered it over here.
Okay. Okay. So how this idea came to your mind? As you said, you were traveling to Bangalore and
Right.
you were carrying the sanitizer.
Yes.
Right? So then you thought, so carrying sanitizer in your pocket would be very much,
It was not solving the
yeah,
purpose
solving
actually.
the purpose. And you found a solution where you can carry your this sanitizer into your
Rest.
wrist, and it is solving the problem in the society.
Problem in the society.
Okay, so did you had this idea in the mind before this pandemic?
No.
we don't think so. No.
Okay, okay. So when you're traveling to Bangalore, then this idea came into your mind.
Yeah, because we were using it frequently.
Okay.
But still, we were not satisfied that okay, this could be the
Correct.
alternative solution as well. Because
Uh-huh.
100% we are not assured.
So you made good revenue in the pandemic period.
We can't say that. Though yes.
Okay.
Because the main purpose was giving something to the society. As we have something else for a bread and butter, this was not our purpose to make revenue out of it or profit out of it.
Okay, okay. It was just to solve the problem and,
Yes.
and how people welcomed your product and how they give reviews to you.
They loved it actually. When we started initially, we planned for pre-ordering. So we had hopes for 500 pieces pre-ordering order, and unexpectedly we got more than 3,000 pieces pre-order. So they accepted it very well.
Okay.
And till today we are dispatching products across India.
Great. So how do you sell these products? You have any online platform or?
Yeah, we do. We have our own website, www.getsband.com.
Okay.
And it is available on Amazon too.
Oh, great. All right. And any other platform where you sell this?
No, we are selling it on both two platforms right now.
Okay. Online.
Online.
Offline.
Offline, you'll get it in medical stores.
Okay. Great. So initially you had this plan, and what challenges you faced initially? Like when you had this plan and you want to execute the plan, right? So what challenges you faced as a startup?
We all were new to this field.
Okay.
We didn't know anything about production. So we have to start from scratch.
Okay.
We have designed the product. We have prepared the mold. The difficulties in that we have, I guess we invested 3 to 4 months.
Yes.
In making mold.
Okay.
So it was quite nice. We learned a lot in this process.
Okay.
It was nice.
Great.
Whereas none of us was from that background, maybe mechanical, I can say. We were not from that background.
Okay.
I'm technically driven. I have completed my BCA.
Okay.
He is from BCom. So
okay.
his financial part, I look after technical terms.
Okay.
But we were not into this.
Uh-huh.
Yet it was a very great journey, I can say, where we could learn a lot of things out of it.
Great. That's great hearing to your startup journey.
Thank you.
Okay. So degree doesn't matter, right?
That is very true.
Yeah, as you are from BCom background,
Yes.
so you got this idea and you executed it successfully, right?
Yes.
So you know each other earlier, or you
We knew each other earlier. Just we were friends. Hi-bye friends. But then we became close once we got into business.
Great. And what are your future plans? How do you expand your business, and what plans you have to expand your business?
Right now we are working on the second prototype of S-band. In that we are planning much technical terms to add a few technical qualities in it.
Okay.
And we are working on colors as well.
Okay. Okay, so you want to manufacture these bands in different colors.
Yes.
So now it is in black color, right? Okay.
Because that is feedback what we got from the customers.
Okay.
That they are loving it, but they want it to match with their attire as well. So they would love it if they found it in other colors as well.
Okay. Any other product you want to add to your supply chain?
We have plans. We are working on that.
Okay.
Maybe in another 5 to 6 months, we'll be launching another 2 to 3 new products to the society.
Okay. Can you let the new viewers know about it now?
Yet this is not yet fixed.
Not
So we are working on it.
Okay, you're working on it. Okay. And do you have any competitors in this region?
Right now, we don't have any competitor across India.
Huh.
The other products are from outside India. We are the only made in India product. S-band is the only product which is made 100% made in India.
Made in India and made in Belgavi.
Made in Belgavi. To be more precise, made in Belgavi.
Okay, that's great. So good to know that youngsters are coming up with new ideas, and they are coming up with new manufacturing plants in Belgaum, right? How many people you have employed in your firm?
Right now we have six
Okay.
of them. Yes.
Okay. Are they engineers?
No.
Okay. For what you have employed then? Like for marketing and sales purpose?
No. For assembly purpose.
Assembling purpose. This product doesn't entirely get manufactured like this. There are 4 parts, and we assemble it, and then it becomes S-band.
Okay.
You have to assemble this.
Okay. So do you want to? Are you planning to add more features to this band?
We are.
Okay.
We are.
Okay. So what plans you have?
We are planning some technical qualities in this. Means
the first thing which we were looking was the body temperature sensor. Okay, as if we are very specific about the COVID-19, then that is what is the first sign that your body reacts to, that is your body temperature.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
So we wanted that to be implemented first.
Okay.
But again, like, it has to be reachable to everyone.
Okay.
So increasing its price for that particular thing, that we need to look out, will that actually work out or no, and then we can do it.
Okay.
Because few people also suggested us to keep a watch. Okay. So we need to see whether that product justifies the purpose of it or no.
Yes.
Until and unless we cannot.
Yes. So you have to do many research and
Yes.
proper research on that, and then you should plan to add more features to your product. All right. And Sandesh and Akash, I just want to ask you, have you worked in any of the other firms earlier, or you directly jumped into the entrepreneurship journey?
I myself, I'm from a business background. My family business, we deal in textile.
Okay.
So since my college, I have directly taken part in my family business.
Okay. And Akash?
So I have worked across, like, say, more than 3-4 states across India.
Okay.
I have even
After your BCA degree?
Yeah, after my BCA degree, I have traveled to Kolhapur, Mumbai, Pune, Assam. I have even worked for 12th South Asian Games, which were held in Assam.
Great.
And even in Belgaum, I have worked for good companies like Vega. So after that, I thought of getting myself into entrepreneurship because I knew that I want to do business. What
Okay.
kind of business? I wanted a right problem that what I can solve.
Uh-huh.
So when I found it, I worked on it, and then I started my own business.
Okay, that's great. Okay.
2020, the year coronavirus invaded the earth. Stay safe. The S Band is the only on-time solution you or your loved ones will ever need.
So, Sandesh and Akash, how do we promote startups, innovations, and entrepreneurship in Belagavi?
I think we should have more incubators and accelerators in Belgaum.
Okay.
I think even government should do that for tier 2 cities like Belgaum,
Okay.
because our youth is going outside and working in Bangalore and other cities for other startups.
Okay.
I think they can do it by themselves in Belgaum if they get the right platform.
Right
Okay.
platform and right mentorship. Mentorship is very important.
Mentorship, networking.
Networking,
Exactly.
yes.
So you're right. The startup incubators and startup accelerators should come up
Come
in
up
Belgaum.
in Belgaum.
You're right. Actually, proper
That
mentoring.
helps so much.
Yeah,
That helps
proper
too much.
mentoring and networking is very much
Very,
necessary
very
for
important,
startups.
yes.
Because people cannot cover all the sectors.
Okay.
Maybe they are good at their own product, but what about the execution?
Okay.
So incubators and startups do that. They can help us find a way how equity has to be shared
Okay.
and other things. They can do it.
Okay. They can help the startups to take off in the initial
Yes,
days.
initial days.
Okay, I think government of Karnataka is having many schemes for startups, right? So government of Karnataka is also having a new initiative called Beyond Bengaluru to promote entrepreneurship and startups
Yes.
in tier 2
Tier
cities
2
like
cities.
Belagavi,
Yes.
right? So the startup founders should take good advantage of this
that,
kind of schemes.
right.
Government is doing a very good job
Okay,
by giving chance. Means they are giving so many schemes
okay.
from banks and all. We can get loans showing the projects.
Mudra loan.
Mudra
Mudra
loan,
loan.
for
Yes,
example.
government is doing. We need to. We need to.
Proper
Use it,
information
proper
and
use it.
guidance that
Yeah.
like on which scheme or in which scheme your company or your plan properly fits in.
Yeah,
For that we need someone who can guide.
yeah. For that
The right
proper
way.
communication should happen.
Should happen.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay, okay. My last question is, what is your suggestion or advice for fresh graduates from Belagavi?
I would suggest them that when they are into college, they would start something as a side hustle and do out of it, because even if it fails, they will have so much thing that they will be a better employee rather than even
Okay.
being something at a fresh.
Okay.
Okay, so they should start when they are in the college, and rather than going outside than Belgaum, they would serve themselves as well as employ in Belgaum city.
Okay.
So that is how they can do it.
So they
I
can
would like
become
to add up, yes.
employer in Belgavi.
Yeah, employer in
They
Belgavi.
could.
Okay. Okay.
As Akash said, it's correct. Man, trust yourself, find what you love to do, and do it. Never give up.
So Sandesh and Akash, do you have any plans to collaborate with government for your the promotion of this S-band?
We do. Actually, we have been in contact with government officers, and we have the day before yesterday we had been to KSRTC.
Okay.
So for bus drivers and conductors collect money. So
Okay.
this S-band is very useful for everyone, not only for government sectors, for common people. In fact, we are doing marketing in schools for the students.
Okay.
They go in. They are providing sanitizer, no doubt. As we are seeing in the schools, they are providing sanitizer. One bottle of sanitizer will be there.
Yeah.
But then students don't use it.
One sanitizer for hundreds of students.
Yeah, true. And okay, the teachers and faculty members are taking care of that.
Okay.
But what about after going in the class?
Yeah.
Students share pen, pencil, books. They sit beside each other. So
Okay.
it's the parents' duty and teachers' duty. If they use S-band instead of carrying a sanitizer bottle, and I have heard that government has made compulsory to carry a sanitizer bottle for every student. So they keep it in their bag.
Okay.
So again they are putting their hand in bag, searching, removing out. It is not solving the purpose. So this will solve the purpose. S-band.
Correct. And also I think in defense department you can
Yes.
promote your S-band so that our soldiers can use this.
Exactly.
Right. So do you have any plans?
We have
to promote this S-band there in defense department.
We would love to work with defense. We have a plan for that.
Okay.
We would love to do that.
Okay. All right. It's nice having you in our studio.
Thank you so
Sandesh
much.
and Akash.
It's our pleasure.
So I wish your company will reach greater heights.
Thank you.
And we wish you all the best for your next endeavors.
Thank you.
Thank you.
so much.
Thank you so much.
This was all about S-band. Next week we will be meeting another entrepreneur. Till then, thank you so much. Take care.
Thank you.